Good morning and welcome to another episode of Teaching Math. In today's episode, I will teach you how to quickly simplify special binomials. So without further ado, let me teach you a few tricks about binomials. A quick reminder, when we have the following expression, we can simplify it by multiplying these terms. We can then simplify it even further by adding the like terms. Our answer is then x squared plus 5x plus 6. Special binomials are binomials that have some properties that allow us to simplify them without any intermediate steps. For example, x plus 4 times x minus 4. This binomial is called the difference between two squares and can still be simplified using the earlier means. We would do x times x times minus 4, 4 times x, and 4 times minus 4, which means our next line is x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. But because minus 4x plus 4x is equal to 0, we end up with x squared minus 16. This always happens with this kind of binomials. The middle two terms cancel each other out and we are left with the difference between two squares. So x minus 9 times x plus 9 becomes x squared minus 81. And 3y plus 2 times 3y minus 2 becomes 9y squared minus 4. The other special binomial products are the perfect squared trinomials. One such example is x plus 7 squared, and you might recognize this one from the last paragraph. If we were to simplify this expression like earlier, we would first write it as a true binomial, multiply out the brackets using the arches, and then add the like terms. So we end up with x squared plus 14x plus 49. But if you take a closer look at these numbers, they have something in common with the original 7. 14 is 2 times 7, including the x, and 49 is 7 squared without the x. This is a trick you can use to quickly simplify a binomial such as this one. So x plus 4 squared becomes x squared plus 8x plus 60. Be careful, as it isn't just about doubling the number and then add the x. As for 4x plus 5 squared, we receive 16x squared plus 40x plus 25. We achieved the 16x squared and the 25 by squaring both terms. But the 40x is caused by multiplying 4x and 5 and then doubling it. So the rule for a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. There's also the negative variant. X minus 8 squared becomes x squared minus 16x plus 64. Make sure you don't accidentally write minus 64, as minus 8 times minus 8 becomes positive. One more? Then what do you think is the answer for this binomial? If you thought the answer is x squared plus 16y squared, then I'm afraid you're wrong. The correct answer is x squared minus 8xy plus 16y squared. As we have to take the double of minus 4y and also have to multiply with x. Before we quit the episode, a word of warning. These tricks I told you for simplifying special binomials are just that, tricks. If you don't want to use them or you're just not comfortable with them just yet, I won't force you to use them. If you like drawing these arches and writing everything out, to minimize the chance of making mistakes, you are right to do so. These are tricks, not rules. And with that out of the way, we've reached the end of this video. In the next episode, I will teach you how we can combine two of our favorite topics, algebra and fractions. I hope to see you then. Bye bye!